How to remove Gmail connected apps. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to remove the connected apps on your Gmail account. So first thing, you need to go to google.com. From here, go to your Google, and then once you are already signed in, you can just go to your upper right corner of the screen and go to manage your Google accounts. When you click on the left side panel of the screen, you need to go to data and privacy. From here, you need to scroll down and look for apps and services. Once you are on the apps and services, you need to click on third-party apps with account access and just click on the arrow icon. When you go there, you'll be able to see the apps that are connected to your account. So for you to remove one, you just need to click the app that you wish to be removed. It will let you have the option to remove the access. When you click on it, you just need your confirmation and click on OK. And now that app is no longer connected to your Google account. You can do that here to all of the apps on the account that are connected. Just need to click on OK, and that's about it. That's how you will be removing the Gmail connected apps on your account. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.